Alright my peeps, this is another favorite video of the Blue and Janko Mountains. This hike consists of 10 of us and we did the hike up the mountain to the cabin within 8 hours, and here am I explaining to you what really took place the night that we went up. So stay tuned and subscribe, like and share the video guys. Alright. So we started the journey about after 9, after 10 there about, and we reached this location at about, that's the cabin behind me that you're seeing there, and we got here about sometime to 5 this morning. So it's actually journeying through 2 parishes or 3 parishes. So it's Kingston, St. Thomas, Portland. Yeah. So we are here and stay tuned. Hey, I don't know when we take up on myself, but listen, this is how it started, yeah? Yes. Watch this.
Kind of chilly but not cold, and we are about ready to start walking, guys, so let's do this.
It wasn't a race, however, some of us started out very fast, including my wife, and you know, by the way guys, this is a 1960s Land Rover. Man, these are good for the hills. She ended up in a lot of pain, and that caused her to have some swollen knees and stuff. So guys, if you're doing any hike at all, just please remember, it's not a race. Just take your time, especially if you're going uphill, yeah? Because one of the things that you should not do is to start off fast. Why? It's rough, brother. It's rough. Watch it. Tired already, you know? And it just start. That's like the first 10 minutes, guys. Watch it. Watch it. 12 o'clock on the dot, and I'll know we're not half the journey yet. Still going though. Oh my gosh. Second rest stop. I got this. Yeah, bush. Into the bush. Resting to take on the road again in a few. You're good. So yes guys, into the dark, into the night.
I don't know when my jump up for like you want to come with me. Oh, gosh.
Yep. To see if this is a suicide mission or if it's an easy task.
But everything out of the bus.
Let us. Push me here? What's up? Yeah. I'm ready in the morning. Bring me forward. kind of dark, you know, so I can't do no whole little video in. That's bad. What time is it? 1 a.m. Kashamaka. Where? Can I reach it?
Say what now? It don't sound like this. Like no walking in the park.
No? Water up front.
Yeah, because normally when you reach a Jacob right at a red gate, you're supposed to turn left. You left, come here. I don't want you to win. Because you know, so normally reach a red gate, a tree gate open. But normally reach a red gate, you're supposed to
At this point, we thought we were lost.
Yeah.
We thought we were going the wrong way
We want them to put up on the right road.
when we
and
came
say,
upon the
back.
team that went ahead of us.
God knows, because we normally reach a Jacob and we take a left.
So let's look like that is. And we think we lost.
So I take the next road. Yeah, last one. All three link to the
So this one is
need
a
to
longer one. We
Okay.
longer one this.
Water ahead.
Oh, me see river, me see and I say, yo, you remember walk too much?
Much puddle.
Puddle.
Alright guys, so this Jacob ladder thing now. It's one of the most difficult roads me ever tread upon. But I can't say road still because it's a track. Anyway, it is like a Z. Well, more like about 20 or 30 Z uphill, up steep hill, you know. So, watch and see what I go on now. We're going.
Yes, ready again.
Stop the race again, you know. Alone darkness. Oh yeah. Yes, Father. So we finally reach and rest and decide to boy we are gonna have a little Sabbath service, you know, and have a little service and rest for the rest of the day. Take on the mountain up to the peak in the afternoon.
Really good. Let's keep the faith, man.
Yes. Alright, watch this. If you know me, you know I left my food, you know. I have to travel light still, so I couldn't walk with no chicken and all this thing there. So I have to walk with some thin stuff and like a cornflakes and like a oats and like a milk and thing and make like a cereal, and that keep me throughout the day. So see there? Yeah man, nice you know? Oh gosh man. Yeah. Oh damn tail. Yeah man, I eat when I read all their names there. Your name there too man? Yeah man, I see your name there too. For yourself.
I never see this, that's why I'm saying take a picture.
You never see.
Yes, guys, so this sign is telling us that we are 1.5 miles from the peak. Man,
In the area.
and the way to the peak is about 3.5 miles, you know, from the cabin. So it was about 2.5 hours to 3 hours journey up, and then the same hours coming back down. Whole heap of walking, man. You know, tap here, so you say, mercy, I forced me to walk so much in my life. Walk out the whole of me tired them. See that? After 5 and I know we can't see a sign I peak. Mercy. Watch out. Just have to sing. You just have to sing to keep up the momentum. I encourage yourself while you go along. Motivation is the key, you know. Running all over my body makes me wanna go some more, a whole lot more. Mercy. Here we go again. Same old thing again. Walking on the avenue, The Drew Sergeant. Isn't that so right?
This was an experience that I don't want to experience again. My legs are feeling awful and I'm cold and I don't know.
Finally at the top, we decided to have vespers and pray and head back down the mountain. Man, what an experience. Above the clouds. Wow. 7,402 feet to be exact.
Oh, this is so nice. Somebody, Gabriel, climb up. Gabriel's been up there for a while.
So, sir, explain to me. Oh, you could have been up here and you never know when we're there. And you just had it blind.
I saw you. No one let you know come on here.
The moon arise. What's the lightning? Wow.
No, God, you know the lightning.
Eh?
That's what God works.
Yeah. Yeah, man. A serious thing.
You don't understand. The seat has nothing. Alright, come right here to things without him trying to come on the
Yeah. Watch them, man. God Almighty in all His wonders, all His glory. Mighty God. Look at that. Yeah. City. You have it. Of the clouds.
it's called the Janka Mountain. It's a combination of mountains. Yeah, man. So this is it. Great Blue Mountain. Yeah. In that distance you're seeing there, yeah, man, that's the sea. But look at that fog coming over.
And as we say bye-bye from the peak, the life lesson that we can learn from this obstacle or, from this hike is that no matter what challenge you face in life, as long as you are determined to make it to the top, then you will make it to the top. In spite of the aches and the pains that you feel, in spite of how your muscles are saying, let's give up. As long as you are determined to reach the top, trust me, you're going to reach it up. And if you hold your head high and keep walking, even when your foot them feel like them ready to give way, keep walking, keep pressing, because you must reach the top. Yeah? Sometimes in life, we feel some struggles and we feel as if, boy, we want to just throw in the towel. We feel as if, boy, if we just give up and call it a day, yeah, man. But sometimes God give us these challenges to make us stronger individuals and help us to overcome every obstacle that we have to go over. So I hope you enjoy this video, guys, and here we are preparing now to head back down the mountain. This is Sunday morning, actually, approximately, well, I can't say approximately because I don't remember the time, but it is about after 8 thereabout, and we are prepping now to head back down the mountain. Say I pay downhill, so two are gonna push guard front of shoes and all them something there. So yes, guys, that is it.
We are going back down the mountain.
So enjoy the rest of the video.
It's Sunday,
and
the time is now
keep treading.
8:09.
Whatever journey you are going through in life, yeah, man, keep going. Zin?
8:09 a.m.
Yes, sir.
So we will reach our destination about 1-2 o'clock, where the bus is. So we are going home. We just left the campsite. The others are behind coming. So going back down the mountain. Back down the mountain. We're up on the mountain on Friday. And it was an experience. It was hard and challenging, very difficult. But we made it up. We made it to the peak. And now we're heading back. So thanks be to God. Everyone is still in good health. Apart from Paula has a knee injury. Yes, but that is that. Stay tuned. We have some beautiful scenes coming up on the side, yeah? Alright, journey with us. Gosh. Yeah. It's fun. see that you look on out this way, you know? Also. Very nice one. When you go down there, see you look. But I would say you're looking up so. There's a clearing. Yes. Right ahead of us. This is a beautiful landscape. My soul. Stomping. Coffee tree. It's called coffee farm. On the inside of it. Mother. On the side of coffee. Amazing. We not go down no slope down so. I hope he'll become straight ahead. Remember yesterday we never go down this one. I coffee piece of that. Yes. You know. Don't we? What's that? Coffee farm. We are the champions. No time for this. Eh? You not remember her name, just come up here. You remember that sign? Eh? A big green chemical sign. Yeah, but we have to pass them. Oh well. I think this is a piece of Jacob's ladder. Or we just start. Steep, yeah. Go down here. Mercy me. Talk about knee pain. This is the end of the Jacob's ladder. So we are going to the first stop, buy some fruits and thing. Catch up with stomach and thing, you know. Yes, I am. That's you alright, man. Something that's something. Yes, I am. Give thanks.
Come here now.
We're on the move again, yeah? On the move.
And of course, when we got down to the bus, we had to stop at the river to cool off our feet, yeah? My God. The bus was at Hagley Gap Square. So, you know, we had to stop at the river, man. Some of us got a shower. Some of us cool off our foot and stuff. And watch the fishes in the water. And the bupa we too. Yeah, man. It was an awesome experience, man.
Woo! Woo! Gabriel, she fell.